Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my weekday morning routine. So around 7 a.m. is when I wake up every day, and as soon as the alarm goes off, I get up from bed immediately because if I don't wake up immediately, I don't feel like waking up at all. Then I go to the washroom, brush my teeth and freshen up a bit. Then I go into the kitchen and make lime water for myself. For that, I pour the water into the vessel and allow this to heat up. The idea is to make it lukewarm. As soon as the water boils, I'll transfer this into a glass and then I take one lemon and cut it into a half. And squeeze it in the water. So yes, my morning drink is ready. I grab the glass and take it into the hall and settle myself on the couch. I just relax there and sit while sipping my drink. This is the time when rest of my family is sleeping. So this is kind of me time. And this is also the time when I write my gratitude journal. I take my pen and diary. So this year I made resolution for myself to start writing gratitude journal. So for a fact I have started writing it every single day, and trust me, I have become big fan of journaling. I just write 5 things I'm grateful for and also write 10 positive affirmation about myself. Practicing this thing is surely keeping me very calm and improving my thinking. After doing all those things, it is almost like 8:15. By this time I water all my plants and take care of them. I spray some water on the leaf so that they stay clean. I don't do this daily, but twice in a week. But today it needed some care, I guess. I cleaned all the dried leaf and everything. When I'm not doing this, I usually scroll through my phone, like do some Instagram and stuff. But I really love taking care of plants. I really feel this therapeutic. Now it is around 8:30 when I started working on the breakfast. So today I have decided to make vermicelli pulao, for which I have taken some vegetables like capsicum, carrot and some peas. I'm gonna give it a good wash. This breakfast is favorite at our home. By 9:30 usually my husband leaves for office, so he's all up and he's getting freshen up. So meanwhile I'll prepare breakfast for him. I generally add lots of vegetable to the vermicelli upma. I'm chopping everything into small pieces. I'm also chopping some chilies. So yes, everything is ready now. Next, I'll put a pan on the gas and pour in the oil. Once the oil is hot, I will go ahead and drop mustard seeds and some urad dal. And while they crackle, I'll also go ahead and drop onions and chili. Give it good mix. Then I'll add all the veggies, carrot, capsicum and peas. I'll give good mix to everything and allow this to roast for 1 minute. Next, I'm adding turmeric. We don't need any other masala here, only salt and turmeric will take care of the whole dish. The vegetables are done. Now I will pour in required amount of water. At this point, I will also add required amount of salt and allow this to come to boil. Once it starts boiling, I will go ahead and add vermicelli. Mix everything together. And close the lid and leave this for next 2 minutes. So yes, after 2 minutes, our vermicelli is all ready. I'll take bowl and start serving it. Meanwhile, my husband is also all ready to go for office. I'm serving it in 2 bowls so that I'll also have with him. I don't feel like eating alone, so that's why I make sure to have breakfast with him every morning. This is also the time when we speak, we chit chat for some time. And yes, the vermicelli pulao is really tasty. After completing breakfast, he leaves for the office. And I continue with my housework. I'll take all the dishes and keep it in the sink so that my house help will come and wash them. I always make sure to keep my ceramic and glass things separately. By this time, my daughter also gets up. Now she's playing. At this time, I'll also make bed. I fold the quilt and put all the pillows back on their place. I always like my bed to be very neat and clean, but with a baby around, it is quite impossible. Next, I'll open up all the curtains and allow the sunlight to come in. I don't like to stay in dark rooms. I like rooms to be like really bright. I don't do it in the morning because if I do so, my husband and daughter's sleep will get disturbed. I always like to have fresh flowers around me. And these are the flowers from last week which are like fully dried, so I will change the water and replace it with some fresh flowers. Flowers are the one thing which like instantly boost up my mood, so I make sure to have them around me always. I don't really like go to market and buy flowers. I generally go down in my society and look for some fresh flowers and get them home. So, but these are the flowers I got from market. So yes, I have kept it on the center table. And next I will put that rose on my dining table. So yes, this is it. After this, I will cook for my daughter and spend some time with her. So this was my morning routine which I have shared with you. Hope you guys like the video. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.